Smash the like button. Do you want to practice?
Well, this looks like it's going to be a professional video.
Hello, my name's Mike.
And I'm Teresa, his better half.
For this adventure, Teresa and I travelled just outside of Gloucestershire to visit a wonderful medieval castle.
Good morning, welcome to Goodrich Castle.
Visitors to the castle have a short walk from the visitor centre, along a footpath with fantastic views of the Herefordshire countryside, which changes dramatically upon arriving at the castle. Goodrich Castle is a normal medieval castle located on the Gloucestershire and Herefordshire border. The castle is considered one of the best examples of English military architecture. Built high up on a ridge overlooking a crossing point on the River Wye. The site is a naturally well-defended point of high land and is protected on two sides by steep slopes. Its high vantage point provided its defenders with great views, particularly westwards overlooking the Welsh border. Also looking east, you can see how deep the rock-cut ditch truly is, providing extra security for the castle. A fortified enclosure known as a barbican would have been the first of the castle buildings. Here visitors would have been greeted and dismounted from their horses before entering the gatehouse via the causeway and drawbridge. The gatehouse combined sophisticated architecture with up-to-date defences against attack and was in line with the best military designs of the latter 13th century, including pivoting drawbridge, a stone fighting platform, two pairs of wooded gates, and two portcullises which defended the entrance. Moreover, the gatehouse contained rooms on its upper floors, including a guard room which provided great views of any approaching enemy. Occupying the southern part of the gatehouse is a chapel, which was constructed in the 13th century. The southeast tower had 3 floors. Today there are square sockets or holes in the walls where the floor beams would have been. The fine stonework tells us that these rooms were probably for important guests. The floor of the prison or dungeon is lower than ground level and often floods. The prison was locked by using sockets, which held a drawbar that locked the door from the outside. There were no windows, so it would have been pitch black with the door closed. The Norman Keep is the oldest part of the castle, built in the mid-12th century. Several features suggest this, including the north-faced, 2-light window decorated with a typical Romanesque chevron ornament. The original entrance to the keep was at the first floor level, above the present entrance. It was later blocked and converted into an elegant window. And the current interior of the keep today has a modern staircase leading to a vaulted passageway.
Romeo, Romeo, for art thou Romeo?
I've locked him in the dungeon. It is possible to reach the roof of the keep, but visitors will have to brave the dark and steep 12th century staircase, but the views are well worth it. However, as I don't have a head for heights, I found the descent far more scary. Okay, so I think it's time we address the elephant in the room. And by that, I mean, how did such an advanced fortified castle become ruined? For the answer to that question, we have to go back to the English Civil War. In 1646, parliamentarians led by Colonel John Birch besieged the castle, which was one of the last remaining royalist strongholds. This continued for several months, by which time Birch became frustrated with the lack of progress and ordered the making of a super weapon. Roaring Meg, with a 15.5-inch barrel diameter capable of firing 2 long 220-pound hollow balls filled with gunpowder. She was the largest mortar of the English Civil War. Boy, did it make a difference. Birch completely destroyed the northwest tower. So pleased with his new weapon, it said Birch fired a number of shots himself. Outgunned, the royalists quickly surrendered. After the war, the castle became a romantic ruin, and, over the centuries, was taken over by vegetation. By the 20th century, it required extensive repairs in order to preserve its history. Now managed and maintained by English Heritage, visitors can explore and learn from the many well-placed plaques around the site. The castle is visited frequently by school parties, but I'm sure it's also a popular location for anyone that homeschools, given the depth of free online teaching packs available via its website. Now all that's required from us is a visit to the gift shop and a professional outro.
Hope you enjoyed our little tour of Goodrich Castle today.
I forgot what I had to say.
Can't get the staff. Smash the like button. Do you want to practice?
If I can help you in any way, do please come and find me and ask me.
Can you do an outro?
If you laugh on film again.
If you enjoyed the video, please smash the like button. I said you wouldn't have much in there.
I didn't think it was that funny. But who would buy those goblets anyway? Cheers! Oh, just say goodbye, you two.
Bye.
Bye! Remember, if you want to keep up to date with all of our videos, then subscribe to the channel. And smash that like button.